Hi, good morning everybody. This is a nice morning. Now winters are also getting over. It is getting slightly warmer. Summers are setting in. Holi is coming soon. So now let us begin with the breakfast series. Today let us make something very tasty, very delicious, yummy using noodles. I am going to use Maggi noodles and make noodle lasagna along with cheese, white sauce and veggies. It is going to be a very filling breakfast, very yummy, and everybody including the elderly and the kids are going to love it. Now to make this lasagna, let us take one packet of noodles, break it up into small bits and boil it up and then strain it in cold water. Add some oil or butter to the noodles and keep it aside. For the veggies I am using peas, I am using carrots, palak from my house garden, and I will be needing onion chopped, then spring onion leaves I will be using for garnishing, and I will need ginger garlic paste. Rest all the sauces and spices and many other things, white sauce, that we will in the procedure I will be mentioning. Take 1 tablespoon of oil, any cooking oil. Usually in noodles sesame oil is used, but I am using my own vegetable oil, what I use in the kitchen. And fry the chopped garlic, ginger and onion pieces until they turn lightly brown. Now add the chopped vegetables. You can include in this other vegetables like mushrooms, patta gobi, you can add capsicums. I am using just a few because I don't want to make it very heavy. Now the freshly plucked palak leaves, carrot and peas I have added to the onions, ginger and garlic. And spring onions stem I have chopped fine and added that also. Now I will add 2 packets of Maggi masala, the seasoning, and then I will add the noodles to this. I have added the noodles that I had boiled. Now I am going to stir fry for 2 minutes and then put it off. I have mixed up all the vegetables, stir fried it for 2 minutes and I have put off the gas. Now let us make the white sauce with maida, milk, little bit of salt and pepper. Add little butter to this, little oil, little butter and 1 tablespoon of maida, that is all purpose flour. I have taken 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of butter and I have added 1 tablespoon of maida and I am going to roast this for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will add milk to this to thicken the consistency. Added a cup of milk, a big cup, and now I am going to keep on stirring it until it thickens and all the lumps are removed from the sauce. Keep on stirring it. The lumps will slowly go and it will become a thick sauce. Add little pepper, black pepper and little bit of red chili powder to give it a nice taste, and little bit of salt also, which I will add later on. See, it's thickening up and the lumps are also almost gone. To this I have added 2 tablespoons of cheese spread, Amul cheese spread. I have added it direct. I am not going to grate any cheese on this. I am going to use this white sauce only. Let it thicken, then put off the gas. Since I am going to make in an oven, that is OT, I don't have a microwave, so I have to use a aluminium burtan or any other cooking tray in which you can bake in the oven. I have taken this and I am going to grease it with butter or oil. Now after greasing it, I am going to add the noodles that I have made in this tin up to half. I have placed the noodles in this tin and I am going to press them nicely to give it a level. Now on this I will add tomato ketchup, cheese, garlic ketchup, chili sauce, little bit of soya sauce. I have added tomato ketchup. I will level this now. On this I will add the white sauce. It has thickened, so I will add that, which is with cheese. I'm going to add this. I have leveled the white sauce, that is along with cheese. Now I will add very little of soya sauce all over one drop. I'll mix this also, and then I will add chili garlic sauce. Looking so attractive. Don't you feel like eating it as it is? Nice and creamy and delicious. Spread the chili garlic and the soya sauce. Add 1 more tablespoon of white sauce to this. I have spread white sauce with cheese. Now I will sprinkle little spring onion on this. I have sprinkled spring onion, little bit of tomato ketchup, and then I am keeping it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. I have added little tomato ketchup. Now I will place 2 cheese slices on top and then put it for baking. You can grate cheese on this. Amul cheese, the slab that you get, you can grate that also like you grate it for pizza. I am putting these cheese slices. They are more delicious. My kids love it, so I am using these Britannia cheese slices. I have used 2. I have put them on top. They will melt with the heat. In a preheated oven for half an hour, I have put it on at 200 degrees temperature. In case you feel that it is getting done faster because every oven has its own temperatures, then you put it off. It should set properly. I am getting lovely aroma of it getting baked. After 10 minutes of one side, I will turn it to the other side so that the top also gets done properly. I will turn the oven knob to the other side. After 30 minutes, it has set and it is ready to serve. So I am going to remove one piece and place it in the plate and serve it. I have removed one piece and I am going to place it in the plate. This is looking yummy, yummy, yummy. So I am going to serve this. It's a lovely breakfast. Do make it. Enjoy your breakfast. Like, comment and share my video if you feel like. And let me know how it is. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day and enjoy yourself. When you go outdoors, do wear a mask and do get vaccinated when your time comes. Thanks a lot. Do not forget to share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Oh wow, this is yum. This is really yummy. Very healthy, nutritious. नूडल्स का भी स्वाद है, सब्जियां भी हैं, पालक भी है, चीज़ भी है, मिल्क भी है. So it is a healthy breakfast. Enjoy guys. Have a good day. Wow, it's tasty, lovely, yummy. Better than the noodles that we have.